YouTube, it's Yoboi Sal here, coming at you another video. I'm here with Joe, right here. We're here at this abandoned... What?
No, that's you, son.
Oh crap. I thought there was like someone here or something, like, I don't know, like doing something. But you guys came and see me. But we're going to this abandoned building in the American Canyon. I came here like a week ago with a friend and his girlfriend. Or whatever. But, huh? Yeah, I was third wheeling. But it was cool because it was a cool little adventure. And he's a cool dude. But yeah, so let's check it out. This dope graffiti. Right here. It's pretty wet in here. But that right there.
There's nothing here. Wait, stop. Just over there. There's nothing? Yeah, there's nothing here, guys. Dude, people really come here and eat. Are you serious? That's all the drugs. I think that's piss. It feels like this. I want to stand in here.
It's dope. Little building. It's raining, guys. I don't know. It might go back. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
I mean, we're gonna go inside like we already came.
Yeah. Like this little building.
Check the weather.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, I did, but like.
This guy didn't check the weather.
No,
like,
I did.
If I knew it was gonna rain, I would have brought a hoodie or something.
I did check the weather. It wasn't raining when like earlier, and I checked the weather, and it said it was only gonna be cloudy and sunny.
Now
so
our
I was like, alright, let's go. It's not gonna be rainy, but what the heck? It's raining. Alright, guys. So yeah, cool graffiti all over this place, as you can see. So, yeah, I'm planning on doing a fire photo shoot here with some smoke grenades, like as soon as it's sunny, and as soon as my photographer guy is free to do it. I already got the smoke grenades and stuff, and like a mask and stuff to wear. So there should be some fire IG pics. But yeah, make sure to go follow my IG, the Sal Life. I'll be posting fire pics on there. So make sure to go follow that. Yeah, and then so yeah, I guess let's go check out this building in here since it has a roof. It's pretty muddy, so we can't really go anywhere over there. But yeah.
But yeah, so alright, let's go over there, bro. Alright, I thought it stopped a bit. Oh, wait, never mind, it's still going. But it's not like as bad.
Yeah.
But like, I was pretty dope in there.
Alright, that's good, guys. It stopped a bit, so
oh.
I guess that's cool.
We need to go by side.
Alright, so pretty dope graffiti over here. There, that's pretty dope. Let's look at all this. It's pretty dope.
Alright, then stand right there. Alright, guys, I have the camera away. It's getting super soaked right now. I don't want this to break.
Alright, guys, my camera's getting pretty wet, so I think I'm gonna put it away real quick. So, see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, I'm on top of this stage right now. Here. Stage, I think. Oh, yeah. Look at it all around me. It's pretty dope. Bam. That's a little stereo right there. It's dope.
So, put some blood on that.
On what?
On that.
On that?
Yeah. See what happens.
Nah, I'm cool. Look at all that. Man, guys, my feet are like soaked right now.
Pretty dope right there.
Yeah.
Shit's ugly at the same time, though.
Yeah.
All graffiti's so basic, like no one's original.
Yeah.
Bro, is that lemonade or is that piss?
Who knows?
Only way to find out, though.
What do you guys think? Is that lemonade or piss? Oh, that's pretty dope.
Bro, that shit's hella good right there. I want to take a pic right there.
Alright, guys, so we just got out of Walmart just now. We just bought some socks because both of our feet were like soaked as heck. So we just put them on and they're thin, but they do the job. They do the job. But yeah, and I'm about to buy Joe some Jamba Juice Cause
he's not buying me. He's getting it for free.
Yeah, I'm buying one for myself, and then Joe gets one for free. Cause I have a card that I get six times. I get buy one get one free. So, yep. So let's go get Jamba Juice. All right, guys. So we just got some Jamba Juice, as you can see. We both got not razzmatazz, but Fruity Pebbles. It's hella good. You guys should try it if you guys haven't. Yeah, so we're just about to start driving to Napa to go drop off some food to our boy Danjo. So yeah, see you guys there. Alright guys, so we just got to Danjo's, or to his work. He's watching an old person. But yeah, we just got to Danjo's, but yeah, before we went to In-N-Out and got some burgers and stuff. But yeah, see you guys in a minute. Yeah.
Photographer, dude.
Also guys, if you didn't know this, I got that fresh cut yesterday. Yeah. Good fresh. But yeah. Here's Danjo right here. Guys, hey, why are you taking Mr. My burger? No, I'm just kidding. Danjo's just no. Don't bite it. Don't touch their bite.
Bro, you should have bit in and put it back. You'd have been like, wait, what the hell?
Alright, yeah, but yeah, as
I'm taking a break.
We got some schmack.
2 hours. I mean,
In-N-Out
yeah,
burger.
2 hours of getting the guy ready and stuff.
Danjo.
For
what?
Medicine. It's like for, you know,
It's a little awkward going around.
no, like pranks.
Okay. Alright guys, so it's a couple of days later since that last clip, that last day that we were at Danjo's work. But yeah, after we left Danjo's work, Joe and I decided to drive to Concord and just check out the mall, see what we could do. But we just ended up walking around like the mall and stuff. But that's pretty much all we did after that, after we left Danjo's work. But yeah, after we left the mall, I ended up just taking Joe back home, and then I went home myself and called it a day. If you guys want to see more of your boy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. But yeah, that's pretty much all. It's been your boy Sal. I'm out. Peace.